Please welcome Ola Källenius, member of the Board of Management of Daimler AG, responsible for group research and Mercedes-Benz cars development.
Thank you, Britta. Mesdames et messieurs, Paris is a great place to talk about our upcoming model. Why, you might wonder? Because Paris is the city of love, and hardly any segment has received as much love from our customers recently as our Mercedes-Benz SUVs. We created the segment of premium SUVs the same year we launched the A-Class. Since then, more than 5 million customers have given their hearts to one of our 7 SUV models. They now account for over a third of our total global sales, amounting to more than 540,000 units over the first 8 months of this year alone, more than ever before. And I can promise the model making its debut today will also be a heartbreaker, our all-new GLE. You know, instant attraction tends to be more than just looks. It's also about the way someone moves. And just look at the way the GLE dances over this track. This is thanks to our all-new active body control suspension. It's connected to the car's 48-volt system and controls spring tension and damping power individually at each wheel. No competitor offers anything like this. The result, while you still feel the rock and roll, there is no involuntary headbanging. You'll also get unmatched driving comfort on the road. Remember the curve function from our S-Class and SL, where the car leans into turns like a motorcycle? You will come to appreciate this feature in our GLE too, especially given the higher centrifugal forces of an SUV. By the way, the GLE also has some pretty unique moves. Well, perhaps I better clarify before anyone gets the wrong idea. Like a true gentleman, the GLE will graciously help you if you ever get stuck in the sand. With our free driving mode, the car almost jumps to move sand under its tires until you gain traction again. You see, the GLE is well suited to any adventure. And this includes the biggest one of all, family, and getting your loved ones safely from A to B. You know we're all about safety. We literally can't get enough of it, so you won't be surprised to hear that the GLE comes with our latest generation driving assistance systems. This includes the ability to detect traffic jams even earlier and automatically make room for emergency vehicles. Speaking of room, if you like, you can order the new GLE as a 7-seater, and thanks to the extended wheelbase, it offers a huge luggage space of up to 2,055 liters with all the seatbacks folded down. Now, in the best relationships, you simply feel at home with each other. And I don't think you'll ever feel more at home in an SUV than in our new GLE. It pioneers our new interior design language, and just look at the large touch screens for our MBUX. In the GLE, it offers about 40 new features. And even more importantly, it's incredibly easy to use, since MBUX sets the benchmark in understanding what you want to do. As you probably know, it understands you with the help of Hey Mercedes, our natural language recognition. Our GLE, however, even understands you without words. Our all-new interior assistant can intuitively react to your body language. Let's give you an impression. Now in fall, days are getting shorter. When you drive home from work, it's usually dark, but you just raise your hand to the mirror and the reading light will switch on. When you lean over to take something out of your briefcase on the passenger seat, the light will automatically illuminate that side. And when you move your hands towards the screen, the system will offer the most likely action depending on the selected menu. Naturally, It distinguishes between driver and passenger. And let me emphasize, this is not gesture control for which you will need to learn our own Mercedes sign language. It's an absolutely intuitive interpretation of how the car can support you in any given situation. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a perfect match in the form of an SUV, the GLE is the one. It's smart, it's perceptive, and of course, it's a beauty. See for yourself.